Hello, good afternoon. It's Chris from Stockton Land Rover. Hope you're well. Wanted to do a video of this car, just come in. Worth having a look around the car. It has got absolutely everything on it. It's a P530 Range Rover and it's a first edition. So with it being a P530, you've got a 530 horsepower engine. If we look at the front of the car, we've got the nice grey finishes on here. We've got the LED adaptive headlights with your high beam assist. Just coming round to the side of the car has also got the upgrade of the 23-inch gloss black alloy wheels, and to match we've got the gloss black calipers as well. We've got the grey side Atlas fence and the gloss black finishes along the bottom of the car, privacy glass and a contrast roof as well. Just coming around to the rear, car will come with a 2-year Land Rover warranty, including breakdown assistance and home start. That is just for your peace of mind. Just into the rear of the car, we've got fully automated parcel shelf. We can also move all those seats down, up and down from the rear of the car, and then we have additional storage just down the bottom here, and we've got the split tailgate as well. This has also got 2 seats which will pull up on here, and you'll notice up here we also have speakers which will automatically just play in the rear if you were sat here enjoying the fine weather that we've got now out in a field or at a park. Just coming around to the side of the car, again, being a fully approved car, you should expect no scuffs, scrapes, certainly no marks on the alloy wheels. Keyless entry and soft closed doors are standard on the car as well. If we just go into the rear, you'll notice, great for today, we've got sun blinds, we've got the full ebony leather interior in there, and we also have full rear entertainment as well. That can obviously show you navigation. You can use a HDMI port in there to be able to stream any services as well, and the seats are fully electric. It's got the executive lounge seating package, and also if we just go onto the rear here, just push this button, you'll notice this electrically just folds down, and when that's folded down you'll see that there is a screen in the center to control the infotainment and your cup holders as well. Just going into the passenger front, again, we've got the full ebony leather interior. We have full Meridian 3D surround system, which was an option, but with this being a first edition, it is standard on the car, and that lovely leather dash finish as well. If I just jump into the driver's seat, now it is a 23 plate and it's done 45,126 on the miles. If I just start it up for you, you'll see that we've got the full up-to-date Pivi Pro system on here. So your sat nav, your phone, your media. If we just tap this on here, you've also got your Apple CarPlay, your Android Auto. If I just show you on the seats here as well, we've also got heated and cooled front seats with massage for driver and passenger, and they've got the rear in here. If we just go to your rear, you'll see you've got your heating in there and your cooling for the rear as well. Just into the center console, we've got wireless charging, 2 cup holders and your fridge. And then up onto the main screen here, we've got your full interactive dash, so that can show whether you want it to show your sat nav, your map, your trip, your media. It can tailor on there. And then we've got the head-up display, which will show all your vital information for your speed, your trip, any sat nav onto the windscreen for you as well. And then just onto the actual steering column itself, all your infotainment is looked after on the left hand side, and on the right hand side we've got adaptive cruise control with speed limiter, heated steering wheel and lane departure warning. We also finally have a full sliding panoramic roof and something called clear sight rear view mirror. So this is a mirror on here, and I flick this up, it's then a live feed out the back. So if there are occupants in the rear of the car, you can do that and they essentially just disappear. And this has had the dealer fit accessory of front and rear dash cam for you as well. And again, first edition, we've got this really nice leather headlining throughout the whole of the car. It's a really nice car. quite a rare car as well, with it being the first edition. Finally, to note on the car, just because we're on the outside, we also have your air suspension, and with this being first edition as well, you have got rear wheel steer, so it tightens the turning angle significantly on the car. Now, if you'd like to arrange a test drive or even reserve this car, subject to a test drive, it's just £99 deposit, and we can obviously, subject to arranging test drive or looking at finance figures, we can do that for you. So if you'd like to do that, please call me. My name's Chris, and it's 01642 644 444.